Hi guys! Sa video na ito, isi-share ko naman po sa inyo ang mga bahagi ng talumpati ng ating top 1 sa Medical Technology Licensure Examination noong August 2022 na si Karam Molbog RMT, na nakunan ko po ng video noong tayo po naman ay nakatanggap para sa DLSM HSI CMLS ng top 2 performing School of Medical Technology. At ngayon naman po, courtesy of Dr. Nicole Florendo, nakunan naman po niya ng video ang top 1 speech ni Dr. Karam Molbog. Top notcher ng August 2022 board exam from the University of Santo Tomas na si Karam Molbog, at naging seatmate ko pa po ang kanyang mentor and advisor, si Dr. Edelberto Manahan ng Department of Medical Technology ng University of Santo Tomas, my alma mater. At babahagi ko rin po sa inyo ang mensahe ng top 1, ang top notcher number 1 ng August 2022 MedTech Licensure Examination na si Karam Molbog from the University of Santo Tomas.
To the chairperson, Dr. Marilyn A. Cabrera, Board Member Ma'am Nina Loreto, and PRC Commissioner Dr. Jose, mentors, family, and friends, a pleasant morning to everyone. First and foremost, I would like to apologize if I seem a bit nervous. It's my first time to speak to such a large crowd, so if it's not too much to ask, please bear with me as I take up 5 minutes of your time.
University of Santo Tomas, Dr. Karam Balikawa Molbog.
Distinguished guests from the Professional Regulation Commission and the Board of Medicine, esteemed mentors, proud parents and families, and my fellow new physicians, good morning. Unlike my previous speeches, I don't want this moment to revolve around my story, because the truth is, no one becomes a doctor all by himself. Behind every one of us sitting here is an entire village of people who carried us, held us, and believed in us, even in the moments we forgot how to believe in ourselves. Passing the PLE isn't just our achievement, it is every sacrifice they made. So today is not just our oath-taking, it is their victory too. Because long before we learned how to save lives, they were the ones who saved ours. And among all these people, I want to honor 2 individuals whose story deserves to be told. My mama and papa. I ever could. And now here we are. Always remember that when the nights get long and the work gets heavy, go back. Go back to the child who dreamed this. Go back to the people who carried you. Go back to your why and let it keep you steady. After today, we'll be carrying a license that is more than a card or a title. It is a promise to see patients as people, to listen with empathy, and to care with compassion. Today, we don't just become doctors, we become somebody's answered prayer. Congratulations to the new physicians of the Philippines. May we honor every life entrusted to us, and may God guide us every step of the way. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.